Hello there! In this video we're going to see the uses of the Dutch word noch. And when you see noch, you're always like, well, what does it actually mean, noch? And that's why we're going to take a look at noch. Noch has a few meanings, but we're going to see the three main ones. So that's even more or something similar, another, and still or yet. All right, let's take an example for the first meaning. Ik wil nog spelen. And what does that mean? I want to play even more, or I want to continue playing. So that means, well, even more or more. Another example is nog water, mevrouw. And that means more water, madam. And you can also say nog meer water, mevrouw. That would be as well even more water, madam. You can also use it with adjectives. For example, hij is nog groter. He is even bigger. So there you have the even that is used with an adjective. All right, so there are a few meanings like even or even more. Yeah, it means something like even more, more, or even. All right, and then there's a meaning that is quite closely related to this one, and that's another. For example, hij wil nog 10 euro. He wants another 10 euro. And that's another, and it also has a little bit of a connotation of he even wants another 10 euros, so you can also put an even there. All right, and another example is nog een glas, another glass, and that's also again with more and a glass more. Well, it's not correct English, but you will understand from the context if you even know even more. That will make it clear. All right, that's the second meaning. And then the third meaning is still or yet. So, hij is nog in België. He is still in Belgium. Or he is yet in Belgium. And then another example, het beste moet nog komen. And that's a little expression. The best is yet to come, or the best still must come. All right. So that's the meaning of still and yet. One important thing to conclude this little lesson on nog is that nog sounds exactly the same as nog with ch. So, for example, in this example, ze heeft nog katten, noch honden. And there it does not mean even more, or even or more, or another, or still or yet. No, it means she has nor cats nor dogs. So she doesn't have cats and she doesn't have dogs. All right, so do not confuse these two. And yes, when you're hearing them, it's exactly the same, unfortunately. But when you're writing it, then you know it's different. So remember, even more, or even or more, another, and still or yet. And if you like these kind of things, these things that are a little bit different in Dutch than in English, feel free to buy my book, The 300 Plus Common Dutch Language Errors Made by English Speakers. So there you'll have plenty of these kind of subtleties and false friends with plenty of examples and exercises. And it's a big book, and you'll also have the solutions at the end, so don't worry, and an MP3 with some pronunciation exercises. All right, so see you in another video. Tot ziens!